Reese and welcome to the kitchen. We're in Dallas in my kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade lemon curd. You can buy it in the grocery store, which is very simple and convenient, but there's nothing quite like homemade. It makes a great gift, or you can use it like I'm going to use it in a pie. So let's get started. The ingredients you'll need fresh lemons. You'll need a half a cup of fresh lemon juice. So I've got 3 lemons, maybe 4 lemons. You'll need sugar. You'll need butter. And you'll need eggs. The equipment you'll need a double boiler or a pot with a stainless steel bowl. You'll need a 1 cup measuring cup. You'll need a liquid measuring cup. You'll need a juicer, a spoon, a small grater or a zester. You'll need a strainer to strain your lemon juice so you don't get any seeds in your curd. And you'll need measuring spoons. The first thing that we'll do is we're going to roll our lemons to get them nice and juicy and cut them, and we're going to juice them. I'm going to go ahead and juice them right into my cup. We'll need half a cup of fresh lemon juice, and I'm going to juice them through my strainer so they're already strained, so that skips a process of having to juice and then strain. So you're going to want to juice them. You need half a cup. And if you want to, you can zest your lemons beforehand. You will need 1 tablespoon of zest. So just juice your lemons until you've got half a cup of fresh lemon juice. I'm now going to zest the lemons. To zest, you just lightly grate the outside of the lemon to get the bright yellow. When it gets, make sure you don't zest the sticker that's on the lemon, but you just want to zest it until you get down to the white part. You don't want all that white, so just lightly zest your lemon. You'll need 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, and it will smell really good in your kitchen while you're doing this. So just lightly zest it. Now that your lemons are zested and peeled, it took about 2 lemons, 2 of the large lemons is all I needed actually. They were so juicy. So now go ahead and fill your pot up halfway with water and put it on to boil. And while that is coming up, we're going to take 3 eggs and put them in your bowl. And you're going to just beat them. Like you would for a scrambled egg. And you're going to add 1 cup of sugar. And you're going to beat that together. And once that is well combined and your boiling water is boiling, we're going to put this on over our water to create a double boiler, and we're going to begin cooking the lemon curd. My water is beginning to boil, so I've put my bowl over to create a double boiler. And I've got my eggs and sugar in here, and I'm just going to stir it. You don't want your eggs to scramble. So I'm just going to stir it and get this started so it starts to get a little warm and the sugar begins to dissolve. You can see right there. I can tell just from the way it is beginning to warm up that my sugar is starting to dissolve. So I'm going to add my ½ cup of fresh lemon juice and stir that in. You can also use a whisk if you like. I'm just using a spoon here. Add your 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon zest. And 4 tablespoons or 1/4 of a cup of real butter. And you're just going to stir this until it begins to cook, and it will take about 15 minutes or until it's thickened. And watch your water in your pot so that you don't burn your pot. So just stir this every now and then. Keep an eye on it for about 15 minutes or until it's thick. You can see my lemon curd, it's only been cooking for probably about 5-6 minutes, but it has really thickened up. So I'm just going to cook it for a little bit longer, stirring it to get everything off the sides and combined, and then it will be ready. My lemon curd cooked over the double boiler for about 15 minutes. You can see it here, it smells really good. It's gotten nice and thick. It will thicken even more as it cools. So I'm going to let mine cool, and then I'm going to make a pie with it. But if you're choosing to keep it and put it as a gift or use it on scones or biscuits, you can just put it in a cute little jar and put it in the refrigerator. It keeps, I think it says, for about a week or so. So here's the lemon curd. I hope you enjoy it.